Gaming phones are becoming really popular as they are packed with blazing fast technologies and the latest top-notch features with extended battery life, and all are combined to deliver the ultimate performance. However, they all feature almost the same specs, but their extra gaming features make them unique in their classes. So today, we are going to talk about the ultimate smartphones for gaming according to their specs, features, performance, and more. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the last few years, ASUS has been trying to capture gamers' attention with their ROG lineup of gaming phones. ROG phones have created a space among gamers' hearts, and to dominate in the gaming arena, this year, ASUS also comes with a total of 3 models, including ROG Phone 5, 5 Pro, and Ultimate. All of them are packed with the latest Snapdragon processor and features up to 18GB of RAM with up to 512GB of internal storage. So today, we will talk about the Ultimate Edition. Man, this phone is just insane. It packs an unbelievably responsive 144Hz AMOLED display, which boasts an industry-leading 300Hz touch sampling rate to give you a super smooth gaming experience with an ultra-low touch latency. Its massively upgraded Air Trigger 5 gaming controllers give full control on your fingers, ensuring you can defeat all your enemies with ease. To enhance your performance and chances of winning, it has the most advanced gaming enhancement app, which provides gaming-specific features including quick control, haptic audio, scout mode, and more. On the left side of the phone, you will find a special connector for gaming accessories such as the AeroActive Cooler 5, which dramatically reduces heat to improve performance. It has a monstrous 6000 mAh battery system and comes with a 65-watt hypercharge adapter, letting you get a day's use from just a short charge. The battery is also separated into 2 with a PCB in the center, a design that keeps hotspots away from the grip area for more comfortable gaming. You can enjoy latency-free audio because there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, a hi-fi grade ESS DAC for lossless audio processing. Overall, this phone also comes with some cool features like a customizable rear matrix display, dual front-face stereo speaker, GameFX audio system, and more. Now let's talk about the Red Magic 6 Pro. Another fantastic gaming phone with top-tier specs and perks that even non-gamers will love. Equipped with a Snapdragon 888 processor, it has an ultra-high 165Hz eSports screen and up to 5Hz touch sample rate, letting you have an elite gaming experience and better performance than your enemy. This phone has Pro Shoulder triggers with a 400Hz sampling rate, which is fully customizable for every game and gives you to play games the way they are meant to be played. It comes with an ICE 6.0 multidimensional cooling system along with a Turbofan Plus vapor chamber, which combines 7 different heat transfer and cooling methods to create a better cooling system. Besides, it also has dual-core ice dock, which improves cooling to the next level, ensuring your device can keep going at max performance. You can keep winning games for hours without fear of harming your eyes. It has SGS's anti-smear and eye care certifications, so your screen stays clear and smear-free while your eyes remain protected. You can load up applications and save data faster with Magic Write 2.0, which improves the write and read speeds for data and files as much as 10 times than any other phone. Amazing part is, the Red Magic 6 Pro comes with a pair of TWS earbuds, which enables you to enjoy detailed audio totally clutter-free. And each ear tip has a hook which ensures better and secure fit. Overall, the Red Magic 6 Pro offers game space, DTS Ultra X surround sound, app overlay, and more to ensure you can enjoy your game more realistically. Okay, let's have a look at the Lenovo Legion Dual Phone 2. It's the overall best gaming smartphone to today's date and an excellent streaming and multiplayer gaming option. This gaming phone also has the latest Snapdragon processor, up to 18GB of RAM, and up to 512GB internal storage like the ROG 5 Ultimate and Red Magic 6 Pro, making sure you can experience blazing fast performance. The octa trigger and dual haptics feedback gives the gamer a console controller-like experience. Though it features the same refresh rates as the other two phones, but it provides up to 720Hz touch sampling rate, which is almost double than its competitor. At the same time, its large 6.92-inch AMOLED display ensures you have an extended viewing area so nothing can hide from your eyes. Even it can provide max brightness up to 1300 nits, where other gaming phones can't offer that much illumination. It's particularly useful for gaming purposes as there isn't a cutout or punch hole for a selfie camera, and instead, there's a pop-up 44-megapixel selfie camera that is designed to work well for streaming. The dual phone 2 also has two USB charging ports, which we've seen on previous ROG gaming phones. The most interesting thing is, you can use both charging ports to power up your phone lightning fast, which is insane as hell, and no gaming phone allows dual charging before. You can smoothly play games for extended hours as it has dual battery, which combined delivers 5500 mAh power. Even, you don't feel any heat on your hands as it also has dual turbo cooling fans that can effectively cool the device and keep the performance stable. To give a cool aesthetic look, these fans have RGB light built in. So that was all about the ultimate smartphones for gaming. But which one should you get? Well, if you require more sampling rate for the perfect headshot, then nothing can beat the Legion Dual Phone 2. Or need balanced performance, then Red Magic 6 Pro is the best option to choose. Or need an extended viewing area with long battery life? Then ROG Phone 5 Ultimate is waiting for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.